right, Mustang fans, wow, or just classic car fans, we have a cool one to check out here. 1966 Mustang Coupe, and this baby has been turned into a resto mod, and it is nicely done. Every time I kind of get in and out of this, go around it, I find something that really just makes you go, wow. The quality of the build, the thought behind this car, extremely well done, well thought out. All right, first of all, as far as exterior, this is a Victory Red base coat, clear coat. And as you can see, we have some ground effects on this one, kind of a custom front end. This thing has daytime running lamps. It's high intensity discharge headlamps, LED turn signals front and rear. Just a beautiful setup as far as the lighting goes. Now, as far as the body, I want to start on some of this, and there's a long list. I'm not going to hit everything here, but I have taken pictures of the details of this car. You can see it in the still pictures, but let me get through some of it, then I'll tell you where to check those out at. Okay, as far as the body, chassis, we're completely blasted, and it's been a rotisserie restoration. It has new old stock fenders and quarters, doors, window trim. So, solid car. What has been done to this to bring it back to its glory and then some is unbelievable. All new chrome bumpers, door handles, bezels, etc. Just look around it, you'll see what I'm saying. Again, Victory Red, LED lighting throughout, interior also, turn signals, brake lights, just a beautiful look. As you can see, it's riding on the Bullet 5 spoke chrome wheels. We have slotted and drilled rotors, front and rear, so four-wheel disc. And this baby would be set up to go around a road course. Just take out and have some fun driving with it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, because you've got to see the underside of this, check out the interior of the engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Call us too. I'd be happy to go over this car with you. 507-386-1726. And again, in those still pictures, there's a nice typed out list. What was used for components, what was done in this car. I'll have the pictures of that in there. Go ahead and take a look through those. All right, let's get under the hood here a little bit. I want to talk about that. It's got a 396 cubic inch stroked Ford Windsor A351 racing block. Canfield aluminum heads, stainless valves, Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake manifold, Eagle crank and rods, SRP pistons, total seal rings, ARP fasteners, which would be main studs, rod bolts, head studs, and it's unbelievable underneath there. It is clean and it is classy how it was done. MSD ignition, engine is balanced and blueprinted. Miller Speed cog belt drive system, which you can see in the pictures, 3-inch stainless exhaust all the way to the back, and I'm not even telling you everything that's underneath there. Again, you can check that out in the list in the still pictures, and take a look at the engine bay in the still pictures. You want to see a straight car and the paint laid nice on it. Look at that, and the stance of this beauty. Wow. I'm going to get around to the other side and go over the interior with you, but I tell you what, this car looks as good on the inside as it does on the exterior, and it's the black and red theme carried throughout. There's some nice features: power windows, power locks, tilt column, beautiful stereo system installed, amp subwoofer in the back, and nicely done. There's not wires hanging everywhere. It's very neat. It was, like I said, it was thought out, done up nice. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. If you're in the continental United States, be happy to assist you with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see the ground effects. It does have just a slight mini tub to it. There's some nice meats on the back of this thing. 17-inch wheels too, by the way. As far as tranny, hit on that a little bit. It's got a G4 Street T5 manual. It's rated for 600 horse, 550 pound-feet of torque. Ram clutch with billet flywheel. Does have a Ford adjustable cable clutch system on it, and a custom drive shaft. And again, take a look up and down this car and how straight it is. Rear end on this 8.8 Ford rear. As far as 373 gears in it. Does have 31 spline axles and an Eaton posi in it. So again, set up to drive. You could road course this car and just go and have some fun with it. We'll get into this interior in a little bit too. Also, a 22-gallon stainless tank on it. Wiring's all painless. And again, interior, you're going to see power windows, power locks, vintage AC and heat. It has a shoulder belt conversion to it, all new weather stripping. So let's go ahead and check out the interior of this car. Now, point out this. You'll see this in the pictures that comes off a little blue. That is strictly the LED lighting, and it's more of a clear. It shows up blue on the camera. But as far as interior, just take a look at this. Red inlays, back of the seats, and the doors. Carries on around throughout the dash. Does have an aftermarket style gauge, Phantom, autometer gauges. I believe this car is about 1,400 miles since it was built. I did it, tilt column. Look at how the detail and how this is finished off. LED lighting down here for your entryway. Look where you're, right here you take a look and how they incorporated the vents into this. The stereo system, absolutely killer. JVC, Bluetooth. Again, this is driving lights. Check out this custom center console. Here's where your power windows, lock switches are. And here's just an attention to detail kind of thing. Take a look at this. Above console has some map lights. Well, of course they work, and they're LED. Look how nicely they work. That's kind of how everything is on this car, just put together beautifully. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up because this is the best part. Now, it looks great. We should see the sound of this, and we'll get this hood open. So there's the miles, 1,441 since built. Flip around to the back of this so you can hear it. Listen to that. And again, 3-inch stainless all the way to the rear. That 396 cubic inch stroker. Wow. All right, let's get this hood open because I want you to see this. Absolutely beautiful. Come up here. There's your running lights. I'm going to pause this a second and get this hood open. Alright, so you see we got a Cowl Induction hood here. Strut tower brace is, I should say. Look at this setup. And it is just as nice on the underside too. The detail and what went into making this. Note everything running up through the fender wells, how clean and tidy this is done. It's a cog belt system. Listen to that thing run. You're looking for a beauty, here it is. Not going to find another one like this out there. 1966 Mustang Coupe Resto Mod, absolutely beautifully done. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. We do consider trades, and this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.